Welcome to my channel High Yield Portfolio. In this video, I am going to present you my unique portfolio investment and its result analysis. It will be beneficial for the beginners to invest in the share market with a small amount and earn a good profit in a short period of time. My portfolio techniques are: I invest an amount of rupees 20,000. My financial commitment is 20,000 for this portfolio. I invest in top 5 bullish trending stocks, especially selected from Nifty 50. And I select one stock from each 5 different sectors. There are different sectors in this Nifty. Out of that, I select only 5 stocks from each sector's top leading sectors only. I buy the stock when the bullish signal is confirmed on the technical chart. So my holding period is roughly for 3 months. During the 3rd month, when the bullish signal tends to reverse, profit booking is done. This is purely based on the technical chart analysis. My stock portfolio is duly tracked on the Google Excel sheet and analyzed. You can go through this sheet and get the benefit of this portfolio. I selected the stocks for my portfolio are from the 5 sectors I said earlier: automobiles, healthcare, bank, metals, and IT. Under automobiles, I have selected Mahindra and Mahindra Limited, is large cap; Sun Pharma under healthcare; ICICI Bank under banking sector; Hindalco in metal sector; Wipro from this IT sector. All are large cap stocks only. The Mahindra and Mahindra Limited company is one of the most diversified automobile company in India, with a presence across 2-wheelers, 3-wheelers, public vehicles, commercial vehicles, tractors and earth movers, etc. The market capitalization is very highest. The high and low period for the 52 weeks high and low are 971 and low is 628. The stock P is 27.1. Return on equity investment is 4.45. That is should be available. The face value of the stock is 5 rupees. Then the next stock is from Sun Pharma and healthcare sector. Sun Pharmaceutical Industries is engaged in the business of manufacturing, developing and marketing a wide range of branded and generic formulations and active pharmaceutical ingredients. This market capitalization is also highest in this Nifty 50 segment. The 52-week high and low are 851 and low is 496. Return on equity is 6.33%. Then ICICI Bank under the banking sector. ICICI Bank is the large private sector bank in India, offering a diversified portfolio of financial products and services to retail, SME and corporate customers. The bank has an extensive network of branches, ATMs and other touch points. As I said earlier, this 52-week low is 867 and low is 466. The return on equity investment is 13.1%. The face value is rupees 2. The next metal sector stock is Hindalco. Hindalco Industries is engaged in the business of aluminium and aluminium products, copper and copper products. The 52-week high is 552 and low is 204. The return on equity investment is 5.33% and face value is 1 rupee. In the IT sector, I selected the Wipro stock. Wipro Limited is a global information of technology, consulting and business process services company headquartered in Bangalore, Karnataka. They use cognitive computing, hyperautomation, machine learning, robotics, cloud analytics, and emerging technologies to help their clients adapt to the digital world. It caters to customers across 6 continents. The market capitalization is also high. The 52-week high is 742 and low is 342. The return on equity investment is 19.6%. The face value is 2. All other details are also given. You can go through it and find it. By selection of the stock is, as I said earlier, based on the technical chart. I bought the stock during this beginning of the August 2021. That is when the stock is bullish. When it starts to enter into a bullish momentum, I purchased the stock. So it went up high, nearly the required profit can be achieved. The Sun Pharma is also in the same condition. I bought it and during the first week of August, and it has given a high profit during this period. And the ICICI Bank also, I bought it in the beginning of the August month. It is a uptrend and it has also given a decent profit. The Hindalco Industries also, I bought it during the first week of August and it has also got a bullish momentum and has gained much. This Wipro in the IT sector also, I bought it during the August and it has given a decent return during my period of investment. The 5 stocks which I invested out of the amount of 20,000 as an investment amount, I bought the Mahindra and Mahindra Limited is by I purchased 7 stocks on 10/8/21. The price I purchased was 780. The value of purchase value was 5,460. The Sun Pharma I purchased in 8 quantities on the 2nd August and its price was 675 and its investment value was 5,400. I purchased only 3 stocks of ICICI Bank on 4th August on the price of 695 and its investment amount was 2,085. I bought 6 Hindalco stocks on 2nd and at the price of 450 and the investment amount was 2,700. I bought 7 Wipro stocks on 3rd August at the price of 600 each and the investment was 4,200. So out of 31 stocks I totally purchased and that my total investment was 19,845. How the stock was fared after the 3 months? It was in these analysis was given in the Google portfolio stock screener and you can go through it easily and see the results. I have given all the details here: date of investment, quantity, purchase price, value, date of closing. I closed when the profit was peak and it returned to the minimum. Also, I closed it at 9:10, and the closing value was 6,370. It was a 16.7% gain. Sun Pharma also gave 22%. ICICI Bank gave me 15.1% gain. Hindalco was a beneficial, and I got 15.6% of return. And out of Wipro also it gave 67%. So out of this totally 31 stocks, the first amount was 19,845. My return was after 3 months 23,390. So I got a profit of 3,545, which was about 18% of my return on my investment portfolio. So this was this portfolio tracker, which was very helpful for these beginners to track the stocks bought and how much they have reached their profit and when it can be booked. So thank you for watching this video, and click like, please share with others, subscribe to view more such videos to build high yield portfolio. High yield portfolio building is very simple, and we can do it with this example. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much.